Want to unlock secret ChatGPT side hustles that could make you dollars in 2025 but nobody's talking about? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the top hidden AI kicks that can boost your income fast. Today I'm revealing ChatGPT's side hustles for 2025 that almost nobody is talking about. These are hidden gems that could make you serious money this year. If you are ready to use AI to boost your income, smash that like button and let's dive right in. First, why are ChatGPT side hustles booming in 2025? AI has advanced rapidly. ChatGPT's new GPT-4o model now understands context better, writes faster, and solves problems like a pro. More businesses want content, automation, and creative solutions but can't afford big agencies. Freelancers and solopreneurs are turning to AI to create gigs that pay well without heavy upfront investment. So, this is a golden time to start AI-powered side hustles with ChatGPT. But not all gigs are known or crowded yet, and that's what we are focusing on today. Many small shops, restaurants, and service providers want a chatbot on their website or Facebook page to answer FAQs, book appointments, or take in orders 24/7. You can use ChatGPT's API or platforms like Chatful and ManyChat combined with ChatGPT to create these smart chatbots. No coding needed. Charge $100 to $300 per chatbot setup plus monthly maintenance fees for updates and analytics. Learn chatbot builders and integrate with ChatGPT. Offer local businesses a free demo. Upsell monthly support. This hustle has huge potential and is still largely untapped. Job seekers often struggle to write resumes that pass applicant tracking systems or stand out to recruiters. Using ChatGPT, you can quickly create tailored resumes and cover letters based on a client's background, job description, and career goals. Charge $30 to $1,000 per resume plus cover letter package. Add LinkedIn profile optimization as an upsell. Start by advertising on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn groups. This is a high demand, low competition gig right now. Not everyone wants big websites or YouTube channels. Many are willing to pay for valuable targeted content delivered quickly or monthly. Use ChatGPT to research topics and generate quality articles fast, then publish for clients or build your own paid newsletters on platforms like Substack. Charge $50 to $200 per article or build a recurring income by offering subscription newsletters. Focus on niche like crypto, AI tools, fitness hacks, or local news for best results. Short-form video creators need fresh, engaging scripts every day. Many outsource scripting to freelancers. You can use ChatGPT to generate viral hooks, punchy dialogues, or listicles that creators love. Charge $5 to $30 per script depending on length and complexity. Offer to create video descriptions and hashtags using AI as an add-on. Good product descriptions boost sales, but many sellers either don't know how to write or want to save time. With ChatGPT, you can create SEO-optimized, catchy descriptions quickly. Charge $10 to $50 per product description. Offer bulk discounts for bigger orders. Bundle descriptions with keyword research for higher fees. Now that you know these hidden hustles, how do you start fast? Choose one hustle that excites you most. Learn how to ChatGPT efficiently, practice prompts and outputs. Create samples or demos to showcase your work. Set up profiles or freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or local Facebook groups. Start pitching with personalized messages explaining your AI advantage. Deliver high quality work and ask for reviews. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Start small and grow your reputation. Use automation tools like Zapier to handle repetitive tasks. Bundle services like ChatGPT, chatbot setup, monthly support, marketing content. Network with AI communities on Reddit, Discord, and LinkedIn to find clients and collaborators. Upskill regularly by following AI updates from OpenAI and Google Gemini. Consider building your own website or brand to attract higher paying clients. Scaling is about working smarter, not harder. That's it for today's video. Now you can know 5 ChatGPT side hustles in 2025 that no one is talking about, each with huge potential, income and low competition. If you're serious about making money with AI, start one of these hustles today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss my AI money making tips. Drop a comment below which ChatGPT side hustle will you try first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.